Hey family, what's up?
What up, what up, what up? What up? In a building.
So listen, we're heading on the road. We're heading to go do some errands, and we want to take you guys with us. Is it a lot of errands?
We got a lot of errands there. You know what? We'll probably do some window shopping or, you know what? I might hook first lady up today. First lady love the window shopping. I don't window shop. Feel me? Whatever first lady want, first lady get. Simple.
Oh, Lord.
Well, we have first lady now. First lady second surprise. We still remodeling, so we go into the place that's called Ikea.
Yes.
I don't know if y'all have this or where you're at, but this is what they have over there. First lady, everything for houses and
everything for your house, anything, house, kitchen, bedroom, bath. And it's in Fort Lauderdale. That's about 2.5 hour drive from where we live. So we're heading out there now, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Come chill with us today.
Come chill, but first, check out our outfit of the day.
They keep on asking you for an outfit of the day. Here you go.
Outfit of the day, you know, crashing over Richie in the building, you know. So you see me crashing over, a little light, something light, you know. Crashing over. Holla at your boy. You know what I mean? Oh, give me a spin. Give me a spin. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. Hey, check out the outfit of the day. First you look like she's on the friggin', what you call it?
A hip hop video.
Yes, you know.
So right over here is going to be the BB&T Center. That's where concerts are held, basketball games, hockey games. It's all held. This is the parking lot of it though, but I'll show you a better view. You see it right there? I went there to go see Beyonce. Yep. It's very big in there, guys. See? BB&T Center. Yeah, I went there to go see Beyonce, and Tamia and I went to Jingle Ball. This was maybe 3 years ago. We went to Jingle Ball. We had so much fun. We was planning on going.
You moving like a tourist, son. Tourist hop.
You never see a person can chat so much to the backside.
Like a tourist.
What are you doing? What are you doing, sir? Alright guys, so we're going inside. This is how Ikea looks when you first walk in. Some displays. You gotta use the bathroom. Escalator. I think the bathroom is this way, honey. Oh, go ahead. Family going up the escalator. Oh, drop. So the good thing about Ikea is they have everything out in display, so you can have an idea of how something will look in your home before you buy it. That's what I do love about it. And it also gives you design ideas. If you're not that too good of designing, you can get ideas from it. you know? They give you ideas with kitchens. So this is the section that we want to be at. They have all the kitchen stuff that we're looking for. Different cabinet colors. Different stove tops. Oh, this black kitchen looks nice too. Let me give you guys a full view of it. It's a nice kitchen. There's another one. Wow. Look at that gray. Beautiful. Look at that gray. You do? You see? It has a drawer that has lights, and then another drawer. Look at that. Yes. Look at that.
The kitchen of the day.
Ooh. Right there, the pots on the other side.
What are you talking about? So close.
Ooh. That is huge. Look how big that pot is.
Yeah, man. Make some good food, man.
Come on. Let me see something. Richie likes a green. So family, so this is how it looks also. This is like your bedroom. If you want to redo your closet, they give you actual designs. That's why I love IKEA. And it just makes you see how everything will look if you were to get it. You're not just looking at a like a magazine. You can actually come in here and open up the drawers, and you can say, oh, I like that, or I don't like that. You know, you can really get to feel it. That's what I love about IKEA. So this is like a little, they even put big pictures. It's really, really nice. If you have a balcony, then if you want to go in the bedroom, they design it and decorate it. If you have an IKEA in your area, you need to really check it out. You do have to put the stuff together yourself, but it doesn't take that long. It's not that hard, guys. Look at that. The best part is that they have everything out in display, so you can have an idea of how something will look, right, my honey? And how you will want it. That's like a wardrobe. That's really nice. Ooh, and it lights up. It's very functional. Look at this, guys. Look at that. If you have a small kitchen, look at that.
Apartment size.
Apartment size. We're gonna show you guys some more stuff, and then we're gonna go eat. Show you guys that as well. Yeah, it's kind of small.
Yeah, but I'm saying, I know it's kind of small, but I'm saying, somebody named chocolate already, man.
What was that, chocolate? Somebody put chocolate in the thing? Yo, a damn kitchen this.
You got a kitchen, bro?
So, you guys saw the kitchen area. Now you've seen the bedroom area. And then We'll show you guys like the entertainment center area. That's like where the living room stuff is. If you guys want to build an entertainment center, we did that a long time ago. So now this is where you get into wardrobe. So if you want to build your closet, they show you everything here. Wardrobe. You see? Put your shoes. Let me show you guys this here. They have lights up there. So you can, look at that. Same thing as the other one. All this storage. Look at that, guys. All this storage. Look at that. Bras, panties, pajamas. Really, really, really nice.
Nice application. The people don't think.
Okay, so now we're getting into the kids section. So this is if you have a kids room, you want to decorate it. Again, they give you different ideas. See the little desk? Yeah, you see? Nice bunk bed. One thing about IKEA that I love is that they think of everything. If you think it, IKEA has it as far as storage. Okay? So downstairs is the marketplace. We're gonna go down there in a second. I'm gonna give you a glimpse of it. See, it says marketplace, that's downstairs. But I'm gonna show you, yeah. I'm gonna show you guys the restaurant that they have in IKEA. It's a cafe. It's a cafe. So if you want to have lunch, you can eat lunch here. Slices of cakes, 79 cents, not bad. Ooh, this looks good, guys. Almond, what does that say? Almond, chocolate, butterscotch cake. You guys know I'm not a fan of chocolate, but that sounds good. A salad, wraps, sodas. So this is a little cafe. They also serve breakfast here. You know, they have, but right now it's lunch because we've been here for like 3 hours. But they have salmon, meatballs. Hi, chicken tenders. How you doing? Fries, rice. Everything looks so good. Little snacks to go. We're not gonna eat here, guys, because we're gonna go to Donna's for lunch. But this is how it is. It's beautiful. And then, if you guys want to eat while you have a view, this is the view. If you want to eat and have a nice view, you can have a nice view. Have a good afternoon meal with your family. All right, family, so we're going downstairs. This is the marketplace. This is where you find everything. Knives, forks, plates, lighting, sinks. I mean, it has a plethora of choices. Great quality. And this is the marketplace. And they also have a daycare here as well, but because of COVID, it's not open. They have a daycare, guys, where you can leave your kids. I mean, I wouldn't do it, but I'm just saying, you can leave your kids and they can play, watch video games. They have story time. They have glasses, and they're not expensive. $4.99. You see that for a pack of 6 of nice wine glasses. You know, you don't have to spend a whole bunch of money to make your places right. What you said, honey? Yeah. So, and they have different colors as well. It's really, really nice. So these are all the bed spreads that they have. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Which one would you guys get? So these are the different options of sinks. You see that? Different sinks. If you want a float-in sink, or if you want a stand-in sink. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. You can't tell me. It's a one-stop shop for your home. One-stop shop. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at all these beautiful rugs. Wow. If only they sold large rugs here. I could get a rug, but they don't.
Oh, they don't have a large one.
Mm-mm.
Follow the arrow.
Mm-hmm. Now we go into like storage stuff. So you need storage for your drawers, tools, kitchen stuff, ironing boards, laundry room. Look at all these different lightings if you want for your home.
Are we going to the entertainment side now? The little one.
Oh, for the lighting? Okay, guys, we're almost done. The reason why I know this because I've been coming to Ikea for a long time, so I know. And then this is like mirrors. I can tell when we're almost finished with Ikea. As far as you can come down here, guys, and spend all your money. Ikea really lets you organize your home in a good way. And then we have a lot of nice pictures. I love nice artwork. So this is the ending part, and this is where if you want to get, you know, fake plants, but they really do look real. Like if you want to get a nice fake plant and it looks real, look at that. Look at this. This, doesn't it look real, guys? So they have a whole bunch of them. It feels real, right, honey? Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. This is the end family of Ikea tour. This is the marketplace.
And we need to go to another little cut.
Yes. So we have, this is the last section of Ikea. This is the warehouse. This is where you go to get your stuff. So this is the warehouse. This is where they stock all of the items that you've seen in the showroom. This is where they stack every single item. Okay? So the marketplace is what has like your knives, your forks, your spoons, your bowls, your garbage cans, your, you know, stuff like that. But upstairs in the showroom is where you get to see all of the major things. And then when you come down here, this is where you pick them up. So you go by the number and the aisle and the bin. You're not gonna pick. So for example, guys, they will tell you that it's in aisle 1, bin 28. So you'll have to find aisle 1, bin 28, and then your item should be right here if it's available. Okay, if it's not available, it'll be blank. If it's available, then you'll see the merchandise. And that's how it is for all of them. Now the great thing about Ikea is once you find what you want, let's say you're looking for a new cabinet. You go, you pick out a cabinet that you want, and they tell you what row, what aisle it's in, and you just come down here and you pick it up. You don't have to search for it, and everything is in its place. Nothing is, they haven't moved anything, and if they did move something, they tell you where it's the new location is. So you're not walking around in circles trying to find something. Very organized. And then you have people down here who can help you as well, just in case you get lost. So it's very, very organized. Everything is in boxes. You do have to put everything together yourself, but that's what makes it such a cost-efficient, you know, thing from Ikea. Okay? I do love shopping at Ikea, and I do love their merchandise. I don't like their beds because I think their beds and their couches are a little bit too low for my taste, but I do like their the other stuff that they do have. Okay, so this is the warehouse. Now I'm gonna take you to one more place. I know, family, I know. I know you're like, oh my gosh, how many places is in this store? This store is really big. Now this is another section that I love. It used to be bigger than this, but they closed it down because of COVID. You hear me breathing heavy, I'm sorry, the mask is stifling me. Anyway, it used to be bigger, but because of COVID, they made it a little bit smaller, but it's a scratch and dent. It's basically a scratch and dent. So it's things that people have either returned because they didn't like it anymore, or it didn't fit in the space, or they changed their minds. And you can get it at a really, really low discounted price. And it's in good condition. Like this chair right here, it's not broken up, it's not ripped, it's in good condition. Someone just brought it back. Okay, so this is another place that you can shop as well. If you see something that you like, grab it, and you can bargain them down also and say, hey, give it to me a little bit cheaper. So here is another section of Ikea that you can buy some stuff. So every single section is about buying. If you want some snacks to take with you on the road, they have it, family. Ice cream. Look at that. Oh, these are all the things. Do you remember upstairs in the cafe when I showed you that they had salmon and they had meatballs and all that stuff? All those snacks, they sell them downstairs. Ikea knows how to make their money. So if you eat something upstairs and you really like it and you're like, oh my gosh, I have to get this, guys, you can buy it and bring it home and prepare it yourself. They are smart. Smart. Everything that's upstairs, you can buy it. Here comes the man of the hour. Shitty Richie. The mini cafe. They just sell like hot dogs, ice cream, coffee. Here you go, baby. Cinnamon buns. Something simple if you don't feel like going upstairs. And then that's it, guys. That was a trip to Ikea. We're gonna go. All right, family. So we're here at Donna's. Okay, you know this is our spot. We went inside, we got our food, and here's the results.
Check it out.
This is fried chicken from Donna's, not better than RFC.
Family, tell the truth. Whose chicken look much better? Mine's? No, that's Donna's. Donna's are mine. Don't be biased now. Take a bite real quick. Here, get up in here.
Can you see it? Hold on, let me get the focus. Look at that, family. Yes, family.
It's not better than my RFC.
They both have fried chicken.
All right, first,
Alright, family, we are done the vlog. I hope you had a great time hanging out with us today at Ikea. We got to show you around. We're going to eat, but we don't want to take you guys with us. We want to eat in peace.
Listen now. First lady, you already told our business, so you know where we at. So I'm going to show you some clips sooner or later.
Yeah.
But we appreciate y'all riding with us. You know what time it is, grub time. And now some personal time between me and First Lady. You know what I'm saying? Catch y'all next one.
Okay? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And if you're new, we are the Greedy Couple. And they are First Lady?
The Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another vlog. Because we're not yum, so I'm gonna mukbang this.
Let's see the food.
Bye!
Yo, the pepper.